To the uninitiated, learning how to trade stocks successfully can seem like an impossible prospect. After all, most people who try lose. But, like training to run a marathon, success is possible if you take the proper steps and have the proper training. Success requires time, practice, and targeted effort, with your specific goal in mind at all times. With the right guidance, training, and direction, mastering the penny stock market is within your reach if you practice, practice, practice. The path to becoming a successful trader is truly accessible to anyone from any walk of life. But I must reinforce that the key is that you have to be willing to put in the time and effort into your education and preparation. On the contrary, real-time alerts should be learned from, right and wrong, so that you can figure out what strategies and patterns work best for you and your own personality. So, in today's video, we will be talking about top 10 best advices from Timothy Sykes. Without further ado, let's begin. 1. Make a resolution to learn. Action follows intention, so take your first step towards trading by making a resolution to learn how to trade stocks. Don't gloss over this step or take it lightly. Take the time to consider why you want to learn about the stock market and what you hope to gain from it. Mentally prepare yourself for the work and study ahead. This sets your foundation for learning about trading and will help you in setting goals at a later date. 2. Do your research. Now that you have made a decision that you want to get into the stock market, it's time to figure out how to go about it. Rarely will it be a good idea to just jump in there and start trading with no knowledge and no preparation of any kind. If you do that, what will likely happen is that you'll lose money, get discouraged, and quit before you've even given yourself a chance to truly succeed. Instead, research how to learn more about the stock market. Maybe you'll start reading how-to books or sign up for my trading challenge. Research the potential ways in which you can educate yourself on the stock market and what learning modules seem most appealing to you. 3. Get in back-to-school mode. Once you've found some resources, set yourself a task of learning. Learn all that you can about the market. Be obsessive about learning. Put aside specific blocks of time on a daily basis to learn about the market and dedicate yourself to your learning program. Hold yourself accountable and be strict about sticking to your regime. 4. Set goals. Remember how I earlier alluded to taking a few moments to consider your motivations for getting into the market. Now that you have started to learn, it's a good time to get clarity on your goals. Set specific goals for what you hope to attain by becoming a trader. Is it buying a big house by the water or purchasing your girlfriend's dream engagement ring? The more specific your goals, the better. They will serve you as you start trading, and they will help keep you inspired. You can always adjust these goals based on your progress. But it's not only useful, but crucial to aim high so that big goal will continually motivate you throughout the difficult but necessary study/preparation period. 5. Seek guidance. One of the best ways to streamline your learning is to seek out a mentor. This can be anyone who is further along in their trading career than you. Often, this individual will not only offer valuable insight based on their own experiences, but can also guide you towards other resources that were helpful to them. In essence, they can help shed light on the path ahead and assist you in avoiding common pitfalls, thus speeding up your learning curve dramatically. 6. Start trading. So, you've learned the basics, you've held yourself accountable, and you have good guidance. At a certain point, it's time to get out of the nest and start flying. Start small with your trading. Research trades that will offer the most minimal risk and see how it feels to even pull the trigger. Maybe you'll lose some money. Maybe you'll make some. Either way, it will give you valuable feedback on moving forward, and you must learn to grow your knowledge account before you can consistently grow your bank account. 7. Evaluate your progress. As you start to trade, take the time to pause and see what is going right and what is going wrong. Both aspects are equally important. For example, if you're doing something right, then definitely make note of it so that you can continue doing it, focus more on it, and maintain an upward trajectory. How could you keep doing the things that are going well, but streamline your process? Refining your technique will help you repeat your success quicker in the future. On the other hand, if you're doing something wrong, consider that just as strongly. How could you eliminate your wrong behaviors moving forward, or conduct yourself differently in the future? How could you eliminate bad habits so that they won't hold you back? 8. Cultivate good habits. Millionaires come in all shapes and sizes, but many of their good habits remain constant across the board, no matter who they are. Take the time to cultivate these habits. You might start small by waking up a little earlier each day. But ultimately, you want to refine all of those millionaire habits, including good saving habits, developing the ability to self-reflect, redefining your definition of failure, and maintaining a strong commitment to giving back to your community. It's important during your growth as a beginner trader to practice good habits, such as cutting losses quickly to minimize the risk of a potential large disaster, even if small losses are frustrating to take. 9. Banish bad habits. Just as you want to discover and emulate the good habits of successful people, you want to banish the bad habits that might be holding you back. Maybe you're held back by the fear of failure, or you aren't dedicated enough to learning. Be honest with yourself about your shortcomings and strive to improve yourself on a daily basis. 10. Keep at it. When it comes to learning how to be a successful trader, this how-to list isn't necessarily linear. These are steps that you should constantly revisit, no matter how new or seasoned you are at trading stocks. To truly find success in the stock market, you have to remain diligent. You need to keep revisiting your goals, keep motivated, keep on top of good and bad habits, and keep refining your process. Persistence pays off when it comes to trading stocks. So does diligence. By staying connected to your goals and by sticking to your trading, through the good times and the bad, you'll create an inner fire and passion for the process that will make you a trader for life. And that is truly the key for long-lasting success and happiness, a deep passion and connection to what you are doing. Enjoy the journey. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.